Did you know that the Tecno Spark 40 Pro features a 50MP dual camera system, letting you capture stunning details even in low light? That's pretty impressive for a budget-friendly smartphone. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro is making waves in the smartphone market, especially for those on a budget. This device promises to deliver high-quality camera performance without breaking the bank. In this review, we'll dive into what makes the Tecno Spark 40 Pro camera so special. We'll explore its features, performance, and how it stacks up against other budget smartphones. Tecno Mobile has built a reputation for producing affordable smartphones with impressive specs. The Spark series has been a popular choice among budget-conscious buyers. Over the years, Tecno has continuously improved the Spark series, and the 40 Pro is no exception. It's designed to offer more bang for your buck. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro boasts a 50MP primary sensor, along with another lens to enhance depth and details in photos. This setup sounds promising on paper, but how does it perform in real life? The camera app is user-friendly, offering various modes such as portrait, beauty, and a pro mode for more control. Image quality is a critical aspect of any smartphone camera. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro delivers decent results in daylight, with good color accuracy and detail. Low-light performance is where things get interesting. The camera's ability to handle noise and capture details in dimly lit environments is impressive. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro's camera also features some innovative technologies. There's a mode for capturing stunning night shots, and AI enhancements that help optimize image quality. These features make the camera more versatile and user-friendly. However, no camera is perfect. One drawback of the Tecno Spark 40 Pro camera is its performance in extreme low light conditions. While it's good, it's not exceptional. When comparing the Tecno Spark 40 Pro camera to similar budget smartphones, it holds its own. Devices like the Redmi 10 and the Samsung Galaxy A05s offer competitive camera performance. However, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro's camera stands out due to its user-friendly interface and innovative features. In my personal experience with the Tecno Spark 40 Pro, I found the camera to be reliable for everyday photography. It's great for capturing moments with friends and family. The portrait mode is particularly impressive, producing a nice bokeh effect. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro camera shines in social media photography. Its performance is more than sufficient for Instagram and Facebook uploads. Casual photographers will appreciate the ease of use and quality of the images. The Tecno Spark 40 Pro is a solid choice for anyone looking for a budget smartphone with a capable camera. Its strengths make it suitable for social media enthusiasts and casual photographers. If you're in the market for a budget smartphone with a good camera, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro is definitely worth considering. Its balance of features and affordability makes it a compelling option. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro. Have you had a chance to try it out? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you're interested in more tech reviews, check out our video on the best budget smartphones for 2024. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest tech updates and reviews. We're always bringing you new content to help you make informed decisions about the tech you buy. Your support means a lot to us, so thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. For more tech insights and reviews, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.